kaya ko lang sabay-sabay ko, paano ko lang nag-square. At least it's official. Because yesterday, well, 2 days ago, we already, not only that, sabi ko nga sa inyo, may mga tilamsik. Yung tilamsik, sinasanot ko. Lalagay ko ulit sa balde. May balik sa servisyo. And I just want you to prepare yourself because yesterday, finally, nakahanap ako ng 460 milyones. 460 million to prepare it for 2027. I would like to inform you, we are going to build the 1,062 square meter of Jose Corazon, a 7-story brand new, fully air-conditioned Corazon residence. Pag nakita niyo yung eskwelahan nila, Frankenstein. May building dito, may building doon, may building dito, may kahoy doon. And I think it's high time. It's high time to build something. And I hope I can build it in Magat. In Yangko. In Lacson. Or anywhere in the city of Manila. But rest assured, alam niyo, imposible. Ito, hindi ko po binubuhat ang yung ginagawa natin na ito, near to impossible. But I just wanted to, cure one problem at a time surgically and spend money efficiently. So with your limited resources, how can we have, together as Manilans, a better effect, efficient, and addressing future population growth in a particular community. Kaya, huwag naman kayo magkalala. Lacson, Magat, Yangko, iba pang eskwelahan. Amado, lalala. Hanggang gusto nyo ako sa Maynila, hindi na ako alis sa Maynila. I'll do my best. I will really do my best. Tapusin natin yan, tanda. Before you know it, we must continue to acquire tulad ng laptop. So many things. Kumbaga sa ina, yung mga nanay, makaka-relate to. Ito, sigurado ko. Sigurado yung asawa, yung jowa, pagbigay, may listahan na yung nanay. Sa listahan, may mauna. Kung ano yung unang kailangan dahil kailangan immediate. Tapos mayroong konting pamantika sa labi. Kumbaga, ito pwede na natin para matikman naman natin ito and so on. That's how we are utilizing our limited resources. But rest assured, as long as I'm here, despite the point, ayaw ko na ikwento sa inyo lungkot ng buhay ng gobyerno. Malungkot na buhay niyo, dadagdagan ko pa. But, with us and the national government and private sector, we will continue to work hard to come up with better things for our people. Not only for the immediate needs, but also for the future needs of our city. Lastly, I'd like to inform you, yung mga anak ninyo total mga chikiting pa, ikayatin ninyo ng mag-doktor, mag-nurse, mag-medtech, pag nag-aaral ka ng doktor, kumigit kumulang sa buong lifetime niya, almost 10 million pesos. Almost 10 million pesos. Nurses, a few millions. Medtech, radtech, and so on and so on. As we speak today, we completely destroyed the entire old building ng Ospital ng Maynila because we, Manilans, going to build a new Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila College of Health Allied Sciences. We are on track. Nasa tamang petsa, walang delay, so far. Kaya sabihin niya na sa mga anak niyo, anak, baka gusto mo. Why? Why am I telling you this? Simply because today we still continue to produce top-notch students in PLM. But the problem is space. The same thing that you have. The same problem that our school. We can only accommodate 300 students every single year. But with the new building, in the old building where Hospital of Maynila is located, we are going to build a 5-story Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila to accommodate 5,000 students. From 300, we, at the maximum level, at the space that we're going to build today, in the next generation, we can produce 5,000 graduates under the College of Health Allied Sciences. Kaya sa mga umasa, sana kayo na sumunod kung magkaroon ng parang Albert Manila Science, Magsaysay, Almario, o ngayon, umuwi kayo mga taga-Corazon. Umuwi kayo na parang nilulugmok tayo ng panahon, cloudy. Pinalulugmok ang buhay natin. Pero masaya ako, 11 schools in Tondo, uuwing may ngiti at hope because ICTSI gave us an opportunity to better our facility. And Corazon, umuwi kayo, sabihin niyo na sa mga nanay, magkakaroon na, kasi may lasal na, ang Tondo, Almario, magkakaroon na ng Ateneo sa Sante at Wanluna. Kaya naman sa mga nanay, mga tatay, don't give up on your children. Ito'y kunting paalala lang. Alam ko, mahirap ang shopping. Ngayon, mahirap. No question. Parang yung trabaho mo, pag-abuto ka lang. Naghintay ka ng 15 days sa sweldo eh. Kung ginasta isang oras, ubusin. Pero mahirap. But I just want you to go on. Move on. Continue to aspire. Continue to do things, your responsibility. Don't lose hope in your children, our children. And I don't know if it is a better reminder. Kapag gigibag na kayo mga nanay, mga tatay, isipin nyo, may isang nanay na pangalan Chayong. Never gave up on his son. And his son became the mayor of the city of Manila. So nangyari sa akin, pwede ba mangyari sa anak nyo? Exactly my point. Nobody can say, wala na mga mag-uusap. Kaya, kampanan nyo ang tungkulin ninyo bilang magulang sa mag-aaral natin. Kampanan ng mga guro, teaching and non-teaching personnel, ang kanilang obligasyon sa loob ng ating institusyon. Kakampanan ko ang aking tungkulin, pipilitin kong lagi maging mainam, masinop, at epesyente na tunan, develop ang ating mamayanan at syudad. Katulad ng isang awit ng Maynila. Isinaan doon, Maynila, Maynila, dalhin mo ang bandila. Tayo naman sa mundo, ako'y naniniwala na ang mundo ay pandayan ng husay at talino. Magandang umaga, pagpalain naman kayo